Hey everyone, I want to work in my Alice book today because I am packing up the craft room to move it, and I don't want this stuff getting lost, so I have a lot of her stuff here that I just want to put in the book. I guess you could say this is my Alice art journal slash glue book slash whatever book. It's just everything in here is Alice. And for those of you in bad weather, I hope things are looking up. I hope you have power. And those of you that don't, keep in mind there are various ways for heat sources, and I will tell you now, during the bad ice storm in Virginia, we did use the ceramic pots turned upside down over candles, and it works. Honest, it works. I know it sounds crazy, but it works. See, try to get the page I'm working in focus, and that's another reason I'm anxious to hurry up and move. I'll have a much better camera set up in there, much better workspace, be able to get a whole lot more done. Me and this glue stick, I swear, sometimes they work good and sometimes they just want to clump up. So what is everybody working on? I am still working on the kit. I'll get back to that, I promise. I just need to get a lot of organization going. I've got some patterns I need to cut out for it, which I will do at night when I have nothing else to do. I don't understand this glue. I had the pin in it, and it still froze up on me. Oh, good gravy. And I just checked it right before I came on, and it was coming out. Now it doesn't want to. See? It comes out and then it stops. I think I'm going to have to order another small bottle of the art glitter glue and just keep using that bottle over and over, because for some reason this one just doesn't want to work with me right. It's starting to get harder and harder to find some empty spots. But that's okay, I'll keep hunting. I have all these charms. What I think I'm going to do is put them on ball pins and put them on the punch holes in the corners and put some on. I don't know, they're holding pretty good on the pages though. Alright, let's go with the background. And I do let my background kind of hang off of the edge, and I'll come back and cut that after I get it all glued in and it's all set. But sometimes I just let it hang. And it's not hanging out of the book anyway. So what are you doing? Anything exciting? I had a message from a girl the other day saying, oh, I found this wonderful Etsy shop that had all this Alice in Wonderland stuff in it. Yeah, I think I already own everything she has. I kind of went crazy with the Alice stuff when I was making the Alice journals, and I kind of got burned out on making the Alice journals, so I have a lot of stuff left over. Let's see. I don't think I'll buy any more Alice stuff for a while. Just kind of want to collage it all in here, and who knows. On this heavier chipboard, I do use the wet glue. Try not to do it too thick, but sometimes it just either doesn't come out or it all comes out at once. I'm sure you've all had that experience. Well, there went the glue stick. I get the backgrounds down, I can see how much of the small stuff is actually still here. Found an artist in New York City. I really like his channel a lot. I have to tell you his name. I know it's Lewis, but I can't think of the last name. He actually sells a subscription box for collaging. How cool is that? And his work is off the charts amazing. Yeah, that'll work. Well, there's some good tips from him. So I get all these backgrounds in here, and it gives me an idea of how much more I have. And what I'm thinking of is, if I use, well, not if, when. I'm not having any luck today with that close. When I use all of my Alice stuff, flipping it over and coming back from the back with the Wizard of Oz stuff. I have a lot of that too. And the funny thing of it was, the lady wanted a Wizard of Oz journal. And then, once I started gathering the stuff for it, she saw her sister who had the Alice journal. I said, no, I want the Alice journal. Oh, man. I have all that stuff. And now the only journals I make are the plain, the traveler's notebooks, the plain writing journals, planners and stuff like that, because I just kind of got out of the themed journals. Kind of got burned out on them. Don't waste it, use it. Yes, this is the cover page. Use it. You can collage over this part. Oh, I don't know, this might make a... Yeah. I think this will make a really cute traveler's notebook. Look at this, it's got the months in here. Every page. Yeah. I think I may do an Alice in Wonderland, well, a few Alice in Wonderland travel journals. I've got tons of leather left. Yep, this isn't going in here. This is going with me to the woods to work. And yes, I did close the Etsy shop. I've had several people message me. I did close it for now. I am completely revamping it. And it will be less supplies and more finished products when and if it does reopen. I don't know if it will reopen on Etsy or in another venue, because I'm not happy with how I'm getting charged on Etsy. And if you sell $73 worth of items and they bill you, you still owe them $11.49. How is that possible? What are they charging me per month? You sure is it what's being reflected, because I have yet to get any money out of Etsy. I pay every month on my credit card, plus I am selling pretty good, but I'm not getting any payment from them. They take what I sell as well. So something's just not right in their calculations. And quite frankly, I'm tired of paying them. I'm not paying them to show up. I have so many of these postcards. I should just buy some postcard stamps and mail them out. I will still be doing my lives on Wednesday nights, even if I do go to the woods. Well, I'm going to the woods, but excuse me, I will be back on Wednesdays to do the lives, and also, you know, a few other days a week. I've got things I have to do here in town. I have commitments, so yeah, we'll be back and forth, but until we can sell the house, that is. And then I will be in the woods permanently, full time, in the woods. Yes, I can't wait. If you notice, I kind of do flip around when I look at a page and I say, well, if I keep adding the same types of things, it's going to be cluttery. I'll just flip over to another one and then come back to that one when I find something that would look good on that one. It has to be Florida. It has to be. I've never had a problem with those glue sticks when it was cold. And I have tried every glue stick on the market. This one was doing the best, but now it's kind of wanting to clump up too. But the heat has returned, unfortunately. Okay, this batch is in there, except for these, and I have to cut those out. I know you don't want to sit and watch me cut. So, and the postcards. The tons and tons of postcards. We're going to call this a short video and say the section's done. Yeah, I'm almost sure I don't have this much left in Alice in Wonderland, so we might just add the Wizard of Oz to this one. Maybe a few others as well. Because what I can do is flip it over, turn it around, put my title page here for the Wizard of Oz, and start from back here, and then it will be 2 in 1. Be all about Alice and the Wizard of Oz. We shall see. We'll let you know if it'll work or not. Alright guys, thanks for joining me while I glued down. I know it was exciting for you, wasn't it? I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.